Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're making the Army and Navy. This is a classic gin cocktail that uses one of my favorite syrups out there, Orgeat. Even though this cocktail is super easy to make, I actually never had it before. Hopefully it's a good one. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe for more drinks and memories. Let's get behind the stick. It is unclear when the Army and Navy cocktail was created, but the Army and Navy was a game. It was one of the first rivalries in college football tradition. It was first played in the 1890s in the United States. It is said that the cocktail was born to celebrate the last game they would play before they would serve their country. So I guess we should thank them, not only for their services, but also for being part of creating this cocktail. But the first time we see the Army and Navy in print, it's in 1948, The Fine Arts of Mixing Drinks by David Embury. I think this is the third or fourth cocktail I make from this book. David Embury didn't really like the original 2-1-1 ratio for this drink, so he made it with 2 ounces gin, ½ ounce lemon, a quarter orgeat. However, for modern palates, I think that might be a little bit too dry, so I'm going with my own version of this recipe. For the gin, we're using Beefeater. Beefeater is a classic London dry gin that has lots of lemon citrus notes. It's clean and it's great for most classic recipes. We're gonna be juicing and using the peel of a lemon for our garnish. As for the bitters, we're using 2 dashes of Angostura bitters and most importantly, our orgeat. This is a house-made orgeat. I'll leave the recipe for this down in the description below, but feel free to buy orgeat, although it's not very hard to make it. I recommend you try it. All right, let's make the drink. Go ahead and grab your shaker and pour 3/4 ounce of that freshly squeezed juice. Let's add the orgeat. This is a rich orgeat, so I'm gonna go ahead with ½ ounce or 15 mils. And for the gin, 2 ounces or 60 mils. Use your favorite London dry gin. And let's not forget the bitters. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then go ahead and add your ice. And give this a hard shake for about 15 seconds. Once done shaking, double strain your cocktail into a cocktail glass. I'm using a Nicanora. Then the lemon peel that's been waiting. Squeeze the lemon oils and drop it in your glass. And there you have the Army and Navy. Has a really nice color. Oh yeah, that's delicious. It's extremely refreshing, bright, citrusy. The orgeat gives it a nice round feel. I don't know why I haven't tried this before, but I was pretty sure this was gonna be delicious. That's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next memoir. Salud. I think I messed that up. All right. So good.